With the power of God, our formula has created a new root in wheat, and the size of the leaves has also increased. No one in the world has ever made such a formula, which Syed Babar Hussain Bukhari prepared. And its proof is in front of you, this formula. It is the first and unique in the world. My name is Ghulam Abbas. I am retired as a principal scientist, Agriculture Department. Today we did a field visit of wheat. In this, Babar Shah used his formula. It is of organic nature, no chemicals at all. In the second application, where there was no application, we observed the difference between the two. The things noted in it, one is the root. In the root, these secondary tertiary roots come out. These are primary roots. These roots have a lot of vigor. And the number of roots coming out, and there is a lot of power in them, how they are touching the leaves. Where there was no application, we did not see anything in the roots. And if we come to the stem, the width of the stem, the formula is more of wheat. And where there was no application, there is less. There is a very clear difference. There is a difference in tilling. And ultimately, the person who walks, in the common view, gives the crop to the stand. The growth of the leaves is very good, in which there was no application. There are some roots, but there is no growth of leaves in it. There is a difference of 15 days. We are also guessing from today that this is the first root, and after that the results of the Babar Hussain Bukhari formula are very clear and prominent. And we expect from all of them that, God willing, instead of the formula, the crop will be much better. Thank you very much.